Experiencing a no-signal error or HDCP issues with your Xumo box? These problems often stem from HDMI connectivity. Start by checking your HDMI cable for damage and ensuring it's securely connected to both your Xumo box and TV. Try a different HDMI port on your TV. HDCP mismatches are common, especially with older TVs pre-2018 models lacking HDCP 2.2 compliance. If you suspect an HDCP issue, consider using an HDMI splitter as a workaround. Power cycling the Xumo box in your TV can resolve temporary glitches. Make sure your TV and Xumo box support the same resolutions, with Xumo outputting at 1080p/4K. If issues persist, move on to checking cable and port functionality. Faulty HDMI cables are common causes of connection issues. Use certified HDMI cables with gold-plated connectors to ensure better conductivity and reliability. Inspect HDMI ports on both the Xumo box and your display for bent pins or physical damage that could cause connection problems. If using long HDMI cables, signal degradation can occur. Consider using an HDMI extender to maintain signal quality over distance. Many HDMI issues can be resolved with firmware updates. Check for updates via the Xumo app, as these often fix HDMI handshake protocols and resolution detection bugs. Looking ahead, future Xumo devices are expected to adopt HDMI 2.1, which should resolve HDCP and bandwidth issues with enhanced features. For persistent issues, try AI-assisted diagnostics in apps like Xumo's Fixer tools. Remember, experts warn that cheap cables could be responsible for up to 20% of HDMI failures.